Hello, my name is Kelsey Allred, and this is my presentation. So the job that I chose for my future job description was art therapist. It basically just like a counselor who helps people suffer from disabilities or just life problems. It helps them cope through it using art and helps them talk through it. Just, things like that. I could read it off, I guess. Helps those who suffer from mental disabilities cope, offers coping mechanisms, helps to manage time, and work through personal issues through discussions, specifically through, or issues relating to mental illness. The education required, basically just like a master's in psychology with an emphasis in art. So like, you do have to have an art background if you want to go into art therapy. Or I could get a PsyD or a PhD. Uh, it just kind of depends on what specific job or where and what state and everything. So my 4-year plan is specifically set up for that career because that's kind of what I wanted to do in the beginning. So I have classes, like art classes that I'm taking. I'm getting a cluster, and yeah, yeah. So this is my face, personal picture. I'm not sure if there's any other picture I needed, but this is what I got. Why psychology? They're pretty much in line with chapter 13 because I really love helping people. I enjoy helping people. Um, I want to understand people and behaviors, and I want to learn like how people grew up and the things that happened to them when they were young and how it affects the choices they make and the personality. And I just want to like understand the mind. I just think it's so interesting and so cool, and it's just not something that I could ever get bored of, you know? And the bottom line, like, pretty much what I said and what it's stated in chapter 13. So, yeah, thanks for listening. I hope I did this right.